So, this is an international English language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111217 name Manpreet Kaur. What is your full name?
My name is Manpreet.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name, Manpreet.
Okay, Manpreet, where are you from?
I'm from village Khanyan, which is in the district Fatehgarh Sahib in Punjab, in the northern part of India.
Where do you work or studies?
I'm a student and recently I completed my bachelor in computer applications.
Okay, let's talk about science classes. Do you like science?
Yes, definitely I like science because with the help of science I can learn many things the real life is also around the science.
Do you enjoy learning science in primary or high school?
Yes, definitely. In my earlier studies, I was very interested to study the subject of science because with the help of science, I relate my life that how the different things are revolving all around the science.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Yes, according to me, it is very important to study science because definitely the same thing. The science has many important parts, and science reveals so many things that how the different things are happening in the universe.
Okay, what kind of science did you learn at school?
Well, I learned in my primary school the biology, chemistry, and physics, and after completed my higher education in bachelor in computer applications, so I studied the computer science.
Okay, let's talk about another topic, that is makeup. Do you wear makeup?
Yes, sometimes I wear makeup because I'm married, so sometimes I have to wear makeup.
Okay, what does wearing makeup means to you?
Definitely it suits the personality, and sometimes if there are some occasions, like some functions, parties, or some wedding functions, then definitely people like to wear makeup to look smart.
Do you give makeup kit as a gift to someone?
Yes, in the previous I think in the recent 2 months ago, I gifted a makeup kit to one of my friends because she was going to marry.
Okay. What do you think when you see a man wearing a makeup?
Well, it's a very tricky question because I did not see any men wear makeup till now.
Okay. So this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some question. So you have only 1 minute to look at a card and you can use paper and pencil to make your notes. After that you have to speak on that topic for 2 minutes. And your topic is describe a work or sports you have done as a team. And here it is. And your time starts now. Okay, so you may start now.
Teams play a very crucial role in everyone's life because with the help of team and the team members, we can can learn so many things, that how we can interact with each other, and in also in a team we can adapt some traditions and cultures from each other. Then I would like to describe a work which I had done with in a team. It was a it was a college presentation, and and 3 years ago, when I was in college, I get a topic to give a presentation in front of all the students, and then me and my friends decided that we had to create a team, and we gave the presentation in a team. So we decided one of the particular topic related to science, and then we decide the subtitles, that who is elaborating these subtitles, and who is described about the model which we created at that time. And that presentation was very interesting for me, because it was related to my field, because I was very interesting to read the science subjects. And me and my friends are all together there, and we decided to present ourselves in front of others. And moreover, after the presentation, when we got some positive compliments, and also the regards and remarks from the our teachers, we were very happy, and I also felt very happy about this presentation. And also my parents are so proud to me that I give a presentation in front of others. So this was the work which I did with my
Okay,
friends.
I am going to stop you here. Your time is up. So please. Okay. Now I ask you some follow-up questions, and these follow-up questions will be based on a team activities. Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, definitely team works are very popular, because in many cases, like in work purposes or some business things, all the workers have to done their works in the help of team, because they can generate their skills and generate their ideas from each other.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
Well, I can learn so many things whenever I have to work in a team, because team members have the different skills, and I have different skills, and others have the different. So we can adapt each other's skills, and they can also motivate to success in the life.
Okay. Why do companies practice team activities?
Sorry, pardon, please.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Well, I think companies practice their team works, because some of the trainers are not, some of the workers are not well skilled. So the trainers also train their workers to make their self-confident, that they have to convey their messages to others, and they have to serve the clients in a different fields.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
Yes, of course. Employees can learn so many things from the others, because from the experienced ones they can adapt so many things, and they can also generate their own ideas, and they can express their own ideas in front of experienced ones, and this can help them to attain some different qualities.
Why do you think sports team perform so well?
I think sport teams perform so well, because they have trust. They have trust in on each other, and they also get belief, and also maintain that belief from each other, and so they get the positive. So they get the positive vibe from the others.
Okay, so this is the end of our